DAS 140 and 142 forms got you puzzled? Don't worry, we've got you covered. In California Public Works construction, compliance is key, and part of that is filing DAS 140 and 142 forms. Sound confusing? We're here to break it down. First up, the DAS 140 form. Imagine you've just landed a big project. Congrats! The DAS 140 is your project's grand announcement to the Division of Apprenticeship Standards. It says, hey, we're playing by the rules and hiring apprentices. Next, the DAS 142 form. Need more apprentices? This form is your lifeline. It lets you request apprentices from local programs, ensuring you meet the required workforce ratios. So what do you need to know? 1. Timely filing is key. Submit the DAS 140 within 10 days of signing your contract. For the DAS 142, give it at least 3 business days before you'll need apprentices on site. 2. Get your paperwork in order. Gather all essential info before filling out these forms to avoid delays. 3. Maintain the ratio. Aim for 1 hour of apprentice work for every 5 hours of journeyman work. It's like using the right concrete mix, essential for a strong foundation. 4. Track everything. Detailed records are your best friend, especially if you get audited. And hey, tools and tech can simplify this process. Consider using software designed for construction compliance or joining organizations like ABC Southern California for expert help. Remember, understanding DAS 140 and 142 filing keeps your projects running smoothly and compliant. Now go out there and build something amazing.